The Land Cruiser's legendary strength begins deep underground.
Tons of earth are moved to build just one frame.
Inside this fortress, the king of SUVs is born.
Only the highest grade materials pass this checkpoint. The transformation is about to begin.
It all starts with a simple rock.
Nature's toughest element, refined for the road. Heat and chemistry create the backbone. Precision measured to the micron. The endless river of steel begins to flow.
Chopped at a speed of 60 sheets per minute.
Robots doing the heavy lifting with zero errors.
1,600 tons of force shapes the body instantly.
A single human touch approves the machine's work.
Aluminum meets steel to lower the center of gravity.
Nothing is wasted. Everything returns.
A library of parts ready for assembly.
The secret to its indestructibility lies here.
Sparks fly as the skeleton comes together.
Laser technology fuses steel faster than the eye can see. The armor against rust is applied. The cabin floor takes shape piece by piece. A mechanical ballet of 50 robots.
Hidden steel bones that save lives.
Glue and steel create a silent cabin.
In 60 seconds, it becomes a vehicle.
Crowning the king of SUVs.
Seamless welding for a luxury finish. The heavy doors swing with a single finger. Searching for imperfections smaller than a hair.
Human hands feel what robots cannot.
Crossing the bridge to color. Stripping away the industrial oils.
Chemical armor tailored for longevity.
Electrified paint reaches every hidden corner.
Baking the steel at 160 degrees.
waterproofing for the world's harshest climates.
Rubberized skin to deflect flying rocks.
Melting sheets that silence the road.
Spinning bells atomize paint into a microscopic mist. Hand sanding every inch for a mirror reflection. Using real feathers to fight microscopic dust. The iconic white color finally emerges. Crushed mica crystals create the deep shine. The liquid glass layer that protects forever. Zebra stripes reveal flaws the naked eye misses, creating the signature two-tone contrast. Torqued to perfection with digital precision. Diamond-coated parts for extreme durability.
Sealing the pressure chamber instantly.
Turbos placed inside the V for instant power.
Running the engine without a drop of fuel.
Connecting 700 Nm of torque to the gears. The black skeleton returns for its muscles. Built to survive a jump in the desert. Solid steel axles for solid reliability.
The magic system that transforms the ride.
The heart finally meets the body.
$80 liters of range for the long haul.
Stainless steel plumbing to handle extreme heat. Deflecting 500-degree heat from the fuel. Stopping 2.6 tons requires massive friction. The skeleton can finally roll on its own.
Removing the doors to build the inside.
Kilometers of wire connect every system.
Hiding the steel under layers of silence.
The ceiling snaps in with magnetic precision.
Building the dashboard upside down. The car's control center slides into place.
Connecting the eyes of the digital system.
The camera feeds are clear. We are good to go.
The dial that controls the terrain modes.
Connecting the driver to the road.
Steam removes every wrinkle from the leather. A triangular glue bead prevents air leaks.
We have perfect alignment here.
Excellent. The marriage is complete.
Two halves become one legend.
Ten bolts that hold the world together.
Vacuum pressure removes every bubble of air.
The first drink for the thirsty V6.
The beast takes its first breath.
Lasers align the wheels to perfection.
Driving 120 kilometers per hour without moving an inch.
Emergency stop simulation passed.
Surviving a typhoon in a box.
Verifying the brain of the beast. Ensuring the pearl white is flawless.
Yellow paint marks prove the bolts are safe.
The badge that commands respect.
Wrapping the car for its ocean voyage.
Sealing the freshness inside.
Emerging into the light, ready for the world.
Secured for the journey to the showroom.
Leaving home to find a new owner.
Precious cargo, moving at highway speed.
Touching down at the final destination.
Somewhere from you, put it out. I think so that's right.
Checked in and accounted for. Woo. Ooh.
Taking the center stage under the lights.
These wheels have the new matte gray finish, very durable.
It is absolutely stunning in here. I think this is the one.
Congratulations, sir. Here are the keys.
Thank you. I can't wait to drive it.
King of the concrete jungle.
Unleashing the beast in its natural habitat.
From raw steel to the ruler of the earth.